Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Windows Reliability Monitor so that way you could check your computer for its reliability score and to see if you had any problems with updates and that kind of thing. Now, this has been around for years and years and years, but you might have not known about it or known how to get to it. So it's a control panel item, so a couple ways you could get to it. So you could easily just do a search for Reliability Monitor right there. Or if you're in Control Panel, so you have a shortcut for that. You can get to it from Security and Maintenance, and then for Maintenance, and then Review or View Reliability History. So once you open it, you'll get a kind of a summary of current events here, and then you can sort it by days or weeks, so you could kind of scroll back and view what you have going on here. And the score is from a 1 to 10 rating. So if there's no problems, you'll have a 10. Then if you have other problems, it'll drop down, like this drop down to about a 6 right there. Drop down maybe an 8 right there, and you could view it by week if you want to do that, if you want to kind of get a consolidated view and then just kind of go to the week that's giving you the problem. So it looks like it only goes back to 10/17/2021, so that's quite a ways back. And then days, you could go back and forth like this too. So once you find an area or a day that you might have had a problem on, like this is the same kind of symbols you'd have in like Event Viewer for error and warning and information on that kind of thing. So if I click on this day, you can see the critical events, the Microsoft support and recovery assistance stopped working, and here's a failed Windows update, and then here's some successful Windows updates. And then right here, what do we got here? Windows stopped responding and was closed. And then these other things we just have informational stuff like that. So once you find something, let's say you wanted to get some more information about a certain event right here, you could just double click it and see the details. This might or might not help you. So like faulting application path, that doesn't really tell you, like Microsoft Sarah.exe, don't even know what that is. And here's some signatures and so on. Let's see if anything else gives us a better idea here. So this Windows error here. Mini search host.exe was something that failed. And here's some information about the package name and so on. And then what you could do too is if you want to maybe get some more details, maybe you could go into Event Viewer and go to this date and time and see if you could find anything else that was related. And then you could copy all this to a clipboard if you want to send it to someone else or post it on a forum and see if somebody could help you out. And then it also shows you that a report was sent to Microsoft. And so that's going to depend if you have reporting turned on or not. So this computer apparently does. So clicking on that will give you the same kind of thing. It's double clicking. And then if you click on View All Problem Reports, this kind of gives you a summary of everything that was sent to Microsoft for host processes, Edge installer, and so on. And then finally, you could save the history as an XML file. If you wanted to send the whole thing to somebody, but then you have to have a way to view it. So like by default, this is the XML viewer that comes with Windows. And it's just kind of, a lot of it's going to be gibberish until you get down to some of the details here. Successful Windows update and that kind of thing. So, it's pretty basic, but it might help you troubleshoot some problems, or, if you have had something fail, you could, for Windows updates, you could go open it up and see, maybe get some more details about it and take it from there. All right, so once again, just do a search for Windows Reliability Monitor or get to it from Control Panel under Security and Maintenance, and then View Reliability History. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.